Insane World. So we're here at Golden Phoenix Hotel here in Boracay Station 3. Let's go! Pansit yung nirequest ko. Thank you so much, Golden Phoenix. Yung pala. Punta tayo sa swimming pool. Malayong swimming pool eh. Ayun na swimming pool. Ayan, dito na tayo. Lapit. Dito tayo. Quick dip lang tayo. Okay, so welcome back to Insane World again. And we're going to our port hotel, Boracay hotel hopping, which is Golden Phoenix Hotel. Time check 2:48. Not sure kung kita nyo, pero nandito na tayo sa Astoria Current, which dapat yan yung kukunin ko eh. Kaso mas pinili ko yung mas mura, but I was able to avail it for free because of Klook. And I'm going to share to you how I availed it for free. Sabi sa kuya, ayan. Welcome to Golden Phoenix, finally. 10-minute walk nga. Asa na check-in? Check-in counter. Doon. Okay. Diretso lang. Thank you. For 2,000 dito. Ano ba?
May page ka sir?
Meron, pero maliit lang ako. Nag-vlog ako ng mga YouTube channel. Ayan, meron sila CR dito sa pool. Ayan, shout out sir.
From Cagayan po.
Ano ba?
From Cagayan Valley po.
Cagayan Valley, ang layo.
OJT lang po dito.
GT. Nice. Pakasipag from Cagayan, pumunta pa ng Boracay. Pero bakasyonan to eh, so nag-work ka, bakasyon pa, di ba?
Maganda po maging tourist dito, hindi po maganda magtrabaho. Pagod po.
Ito ang ginagawa ko, trabaho ko rin tayo. So pala tayo nag-work, tapos day shore at the same time. Ayan. So pagbutihin natin.
Yun na lang, graduating na po.
Nice. Ako 20 years ago akong graduate. Siguro, tagal na. Ayan, sige. Okay, so punta tayo sa lobby guys. Kasi meron sila ditong longest, a bit long pool, longer pool, ganyan. Okay. Saan pa yung lobby, sir? Diretso, okay. May mini garden dito. Malamig-lamig, ma-oxygen. Doon sa gilid, sa may kalye. Doon pala yun. May lamig. In fairness, malamig. In fairness, meron silang aircon dito. Yung ganda. Ayan. Welcome to Golden Phoenix. Ayan.
Baro pa na lang po yung ID natin.
Ito po.
Then fill out lang po. Mobile number, email, fine na dito. Sir, and may deposit lang po tayo 2,000. Refundable po siya pag siya lang.
Yes.
Okay. Incidental deposit, cash or credit card po?
Cash lang po.
Cash lang.
Yes po. Bali 2,000. Refundable po siya pag siya lang.
Refundable. Okay. So cash daw guys.
Yung breakfast voucher natin.
Okay.
Bali breakfast time 6 a.m. until 10. Last
Okay.
serving 45 beach front located na po sir.
Okay.
Then door natin dito sa lobby, close 11 p.m. For the
11
beach front,
p.m.
24 open naman.
24 hours. Okay.
Then scan na lang for the Wi-Fi sir.
Okay. Okay, may pa-wifi scan. Okay,
And
i-scan ko na lang.
po, dial 0, sir.
Okay.
And check-out time po natin tomorrow is 12.
12 na. Okay.
Okay na po, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Lang po din natin.
Okay, let's go. First floor daw siya. Sabi ko malapit sa pool. Sinabi nila may aircon. Nakakaginawa siya kaso walang welcome drinks. 2121031. 1027 ako. Pinili ko talaga yung may pool para at least yun yung na-miss ko eh. Kasi dun sa pinanggalingan ko, tahimik. Minsan to maingay. Mas maingay daw yata sa pool. Pero let's see. Baka kayanin ko naman yung ingay. Alright guys, so it's time for us to review yung aking room. Room 1027, which is near the pool. Ito lang to yung available. Gusto ko sana sa may second floor, but yung next na available is yung sa likod pa. So sabi ko wag na lang. Malapit na lang sa pool. So kahit maingay, but let's go. Check yung ating room. May patap automatic naman siya. Okay. Sabi naman kasi dito, insert contactless card. So, pwede naman yung hoho. Yun yung ginamit ko. And then, pagpasok natin, bungad natin kagad yung kwarto. Ba't yun yung tono ko ng boses? Pang vlogger. Ay, vlogger pala ako. So, on your right, yung kanilang CR. As you can see, may malaking window, glass window. And meron dito yung mga alipores. All of the basic things that you're going to see in the room. So, meron ditong sabon, shower cap, ano ba to? Uy! Pang vanity kit ulit. Ay, ano to? Cotton buds. And then may supply na naman tayong collection. Dental kit, of course, and 2 glasses of water for toothbrush. Naghanap ako ng sewing kit. Importante din ma-check natin kung may bidet. Sa Pilipinas, common naman na bidet. So, bidet check. Ayan. Nice. Alright. Dito naman sa CR, meron tayong 2 towel. Ba't ako lang naman mag-occupy dito? So, nakasulat Golden Phoenix Hotel. And then, yung shower niya, ayan. And then, wala siyang rainfall type, which is lagi kong hinahanap sa mga hotel ngayon. So, ayun. Meron tayong hindi mauuwi na shampoo and conditioner. So, pang hair, pang body. Ay, meron namang laman. May hot and cold. I'll check that. Tong cabinet na malaki. Teka. Yeah. May safety deposit box. Nalagay ko yung laptop ko dyan. Meron tayong laundry bag. Iuwi ko yan. Sige, konting diretso tayo. On your right is a big body mirror. Nakakapayat to. Nakakapayat. Pumapayat kasi tumitingin ko sa salamin para magpapayat. Hindi yung ganyan. Ayun, dyan. So, dito sa left side, meron tayong water kettle. Complimentary creamer, coffee. So, generic lang naman siya, no? So, don't expect too much for a budget hotel. Ba yan? Ay, ano ba? Ay, nako. Nagpapahiya tayo. Ayan, meron ditong rep sa baba. Mini rep. So, you can put... Oh! Meron 2 mineral water. Nakalimutan ko. Meron tayong patubig. Ay, nako. Ito, naka-shades ang jeje ko naman. Ayan, yun ako mag-shades. Sabi ko, orange naman kasi galing ako dun sa district. May orangey yung feeling. Sabi ko, orange naman. Medyo umay na ako sa orange. Kahit sa bahay kasi orange din kami. Pero ginawa na namin white. But, nung sabi ko may pag-asa pa, pag bukas ulit ito, boom! Ay, finally may white. This is the deluxe twin room. So, meron tayong 2 twin beds. Ang tanong is, kasya ba ang 2 tao? Yes, kasya ang 2 tao. Hindi siya parang queen size bed na pwedeng 2 tao, isang kid sa gitna. Or baby. Ito talaga parang 2 Hussein, 2 mataba. Siguro 2 Hussein pwede na, masikip na. Lubag na yan for a single person. And then another bed. So ako lang naman mag-occupy. Pinili ko yung twin beds kaysa 1 king size bed kung meron man. Hindi ko pa na-check kasi to show, kasi madalas makuha yung twin bed for many for 2 packs, for 3 packs, or kung may dalang child. So ayan, ganyan kaluwag. So kapag umupo ako, ayan, kasya ba ako? Yan, kasya. Pwede pa umupo yung katabi ko dito. So 2 tao. So pwede nga 4 dito but I'm not sure kung pwedeng 4 packs for this type of room na pinakamura nila. On your left, yung malaking TV, and then meron drawer dito. Dito ako mag-work from home setup. Walang laman. May cabinet pala dito. Luggage area, I forgot to mention. Wala namang laman. Merong mini table, may saksakan kahit pa paano. And then upuan. Yan ang gagamitin ko pang work from home. Kasi wala akong upuan. Yan lang naman. Bed test. 1, 2, 3. Ay. Hindi siya foam. Ano pa rin siya? Teka, hiningal ako. Ano to? Spring type. Pero parang okay siya. Parang for a budget hotel parang okay pa rin siya. Hindi siya foam eh. Ang foam talaga lumulubog eh. Ito medyo may nag-bounce back eh. So okay siya for those na nagsasuffer ng back pain like me. Paano tutulog. So let's see kapag nakatulog talaga ako. Uy! Hindi parang okay siya sa akin. Hindi siya pang mayaman. Makakatulog ako dito. sanay ako sa pang mahirap na unan eh, yung tipong ano, himulmul, pinaghalo-halong himulmul. Tapos ma-adjust ko sa leg. So yun yung hinahanap kong unan, hindi yung mga super luxurious na makapal na parang ang end result nakayuko kang ganyan kapag natutulog. Sobrang bad siya sa leeg. So habang bata ka guys, iwasan nyo na yung ganun. Kahit na, ito, kung ang comfortable, but yung tulog ko mamaya ang makapagsabi. Mamaya sumakit pa rin eh. So, we shall see. Ito pala aircon. Hoppel, mukhang bagong-bago siya guys. Malakas yung aircon. Okay naman. Lalo na pamaya siguro paggabi. Ang view dito sa first floor, nakatapat ng pool, almost katapat ng pool ay... Yay! Walang makita. Nasa gilid. So, kailangan lock dito. Mamaya bigla may pumasok. But, nakalock naman yan. Nakasecure yan. Ayun o. Wala naman silang bukasan from outside. So, itatago ko naman sa safety deposit box yung mga gamit ko. Fortunately, walang signal dito sa loob ng smart. Sabi daw ang malakas daw is globe. O, walang signal. Emergency calls only pa. Dito sa kwarto ko Tapos, tumawag ako actually sa operator. Sabi ko, baka pwedeng lipat ako sa second floor. At least siguro may araw-araw doon. Baka kailangan ng araw. Eh, wala na daw available. So, sabi ko kasi, walang signal dito eh. Magtatrabaho pa naman ako sa gabi. Tapos 8 hours siya. So, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. But sabi daw is talagang walang signal within kahit saan daw sa hotel. Baka bumili na lang ako ng SIM card ng Globe kasi sabi daw okay daw ang Globe. Or baka pocket wifi ng Globe. I'll check. Okay, may time pa naman ako before matulog. Hindi ako nagko-connect sa hotel wifi. Siguro yun yung tip ko din sa inyo to prevent possible any incident. Wala naman may gusto possible hacking or possible intrusion sa ating mga devices. So I won't recommend that as much as possible guys. Prevent natin yun. Ano lang yung kilobytes na parang year 20 year. Ayan, so final answer 2.7 Mbps. Bili lang ako ng wifi router, mura lang sa Globe o kaya kahit SIM card para ko. Anyway, sige, sabihan ko lalaki guys. Anak. Ako rin pala. Yeah. Okay, before tayo pumunta doon tayo sa likod. Nandito tayo sa may parang road. So, pwede pala dumaan dito yung mga sasakay sa main road o kaya galing sa airport. So, pwede sila dumaan dito at mag-drop off. Mukhang ganun nga yung situation dito. Kasi may mga nakita akong bumiyahe na nakasasakyan. So, akala ko mahihirapan pumunta sa beach lang, maglalakad yun. So, pwede sasakyan dito. So, I'm not sure kung yung, basta I think itong sa kabila, papunta sa main road. Pero dito, papunta dito sa papunta sa main beach, White Beach ng Boracay. Okay, so upon entering naman, ito na yung, dito ako nag-check-in kanina. Aircon. Lakas sa aircon nila, Colin. Lamig na aircon. Di tulad sa ibang hotel na walang aircon. Yung Mandarin Bay nga walang aircon. 5-star yun 5-star hotel, walang aircon. So bawat floor yata may ganitong may mga ganyang may mga ganyang tambayan. Mga pasoka. Init. Ang init, tinatamaan lang ako ng tinatamaan lang ako ng pailaw dito sa salamin. Ang init. Yung ultraviolet rays. Meron silang service towel dito. Hello po. Good afternoon. Ayan, may swimming rules tayo guys. Ano bang rules dyan? Bawal maligo. Ay, ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ako tuloy ng joke ko. Walain yung yung towel, kundi magabayad kayo ng 1.5. And meron pala ditong, sabi ko walang fish. May fish pala talaga, kaso lumayo sa akin. Nakita ko kanina sila dito. Ay, ito, daming fish. Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-chill dito. But yun nga, walang signal talaga dito guys. So kailangan kong lumabas. Ayan, may shower. Pwede palang maligo dito. At ito yung room ko, 1027. Ditong meron sila ditong Golden Phoenix Resto Bar for those who would like to drink, to party. Wala problema. Nasa station 3 tayo. Ayun, magsa-sunset na guys. Ayun, naman sila look at this. They serve different soft drinks. Beers. And hello po, hard drinks as well. Tapos na ako sa mga party. So, here we are. Yan, here we are. Medyo marami-rami tao dito. Yan. Here we are at Golden Phoenix Hotel here in Boracay Station 3. Okay pa rin naman pala isad dito. Kasi parang wrap siya pero same lang pala. Mas pino lang siguro dun sa Station 2 at Station 3. Yan. Init. Natakpa ko araw. Hindi tayo ng SIM card ng Globe with free Go 59. 5GB with only all net text. Kung meron pa lang load siya, yata valid for 3 days. Hey, mukhang makapagtrabaho na ako for the night. Well, sabi nila may signal dun sa kwarto ko pag load. We shall see. Yung ano lang, Mango Holic na small size, 180 po. Yun lang po. Yun. Yay, thank you po. Tara naman tayo guys. For the tip time, 5th day ko pa ngayon, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4th day ko pala dito. First day ng Hello Mego ko, and then 4th day. Order tayo ng Dokito Frito for takeout, saka isang Dokito Burger. Okay.
Kaya kung nga na akong buong manok.
218. Ang binili ko guys, Dokito Burger, saka Dokito Meal. Without drinks. Let's go. Kainin ko na lang dun sa kwarto. Ayun. At pala, dito na ako nag-check-in eh. Sige. Ay, dito pala yung hotel ko guys. Erase yung sinabi ko sa About Us to Record. Ayan. Welcome back. Thank you. Kalala pa ko ni sir. Ayan, may pa-live band dito. Ano yun? May pa-live band oh. Itong Golden Phoenix Hotel, Boracay, parang isa sa lagi sa mga kasama sa package nung ino-offer sa ibang bansa, tsaka sa mga tour package na mura lang sa, kunyari, Boracay package, 12,000 only, 3 days, 2 nights, mga ganun. Usually, ang nakikita ko, Golden Phoenix Hotel. And I think, okay naman siya for a budget. So, swak naman siya. Beachfront, may live band, may mga daw swimming pool, konti tao. Well, ngayon, wala pa kasing Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, Tuesday pa lang ngayon. So, mukhang okay naman. Worth it siya. Ganda oh. Oh my God! May 5G signal dito. Ang Globe may 5G signal. Oh my God! Kita niyo ba? Ay, ang dami ng notification. Uy! Okay guys, kumakain na rin ako. Multitasking. Ayun, Dokito, ano lang, mura-mura. Okay, Globe, thank you so much. Hulog ka ng langit. 7268. Okay tayo internet. Nakano ako Wi-Fi shared. Ito yung mobile data ko talaga na ng Globe. Naka-charge siya lang, parang router ko. Tapos naka-connect, naka-mobile hotspot. So 64 Mbps. Okay na yan. Okay na yan, 5G sa Boracay. Work from home setup. Let's go! Dito sa Golden Phoenix. Update, it's 3:30 AM. Ayan. 3:31 na pala. 3:30 AM. So natulog ako ng around parang 10 PM to 1 AM. So almost 3 hours lang yung tulog ko. Medyo just a quick feedback. Naririnig, habang natutulog ako, naririnig ko yung kumakanta. So nagigising-gising ako. Ano na yun, partida nasa dulo na ako. Yung bago ko matulog, yung kumakanta, mahina pa yung boses eh. Biglang lumakas na yung mga kumakanta nung in the middle of my sleep. So na-interrupt ako. But biglang isang pikit ko, biglang may moment of silence. Ibig sabihin, tapos na yung sessions, yung mga shish dyan. Partida, Tuesday pa to, well, Tuesday night. What more pag Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, kung sino talaga nakatahimikan at makatulog kayo, pili kayo ng room na mas malayo dito sa pool. Kasi nandun banda yung Banday. So, good job dyan si Golden Phoenix. Sobrang lakas ng aircon. Ang problema, nakatapat yung aircon dun sa ulo. Kaya giniginawa ko. So, ang ginawa ko, binabaan ko yung ginawa kong 25 para comfortable cold lang. Although, doon nagtitrigger yung allergy ko eh. Parang, kasi meron akong something sa aircon na allergy na kapag ganun yung temperature, nagtitrigger ako. Kaya, hindi ko na kinailangan mag-umot. Ito na yung ginawa kong parang higaan. So, hindi na makati. Hindi na makati sa legs, saka sa likod. So, yun yung naging challenge ko dito sa Golden Phoenix. But, kung ipitik na hindi ka naman challenge dun sa ganung setup, okay pa rin si Golden Phoenix as a budget hotel. Alright? Yun yung feedback ko. For myself lang naman. Ay, paano ko makakapag-hopping? Nasa likod ko yung Golden Phoenix Hotel here in Boracay Station 3. Chill naman siya dito. Tuwing umaga, sarap mag-chill. Konti tao. Harap mismo yung beach. Alam niyo ba kung ano ini-emote ko? Paano ko babawiin ng gasto sa travel? But buti na lang, endorser mo din. But buti na lang, I was able to use Flux Gcash na naman ako. I was able to use Flux. Ulit. 1, 2, 3. Buti na lang, I was able to use Flux Cash and I was able to avail Golden Phoenix Hotel here in Boracay for free. Pero mo nakalibre staycation ako. Grabe no. For only 2,380 pesos, nakabook ako ng isang pinakamura nilang hotel na parang direct full access. Tunog sales no. Ayun, so yun nga, nagamit ko yung Flux Cash kasi nakakailang gamit na ako ng Flux for the past many years. Since 2019, ginagamit ko na si Flux. And naipon yung points na convert into cash, Flux Cash. And then finally, nag-accumulate siya lang around 4,000 pesos. So sabi ko, isang araw sa Boracay, may libre staycation ako. And I chose Golden Phoenix Hotel. Beachfront na, may buffet breakfast pa. Almost like direct full access pa. Sulit na sulit. Di ba? And by the way, if you don't have a Flux Cash, actually you can book this naman via Flux, and you can use my Flux promo code Insane Flux for an additional discount. If you prefer Agoda, you can use my Agoda promo code Pagoda ko for a 10% discount. Malaking discount siya kahit paano, makakatulong siya sa pag-book nyo sa Agoda. So, breakfast na tayo. It's already 8:45 AM. As I said, it's best to... I recommend na kakain kayo ng between 8:30 to 9:30 to 10 o'clock para yung lunch buffet nyo is masulit sa... para hindi lang kayo makapag-lunch at makapagtipid. Tapos don't forget yung staba kasi pag nawala nyo to, magdadagdag pa kayo ng 50 pesos para makapag-breakfast kayo. And yung regular breakfast dito is 380 pesos. Ito po, morning po. Ayan, bawal din ang no lip over takeout, kundi magabayad yung 500 pesos. Ayan, thank you. Check natin yung kanilang breakfast. Ayan, meron silang tasty bread. May pwede kang mag-toast. They also have pancake, pandesal. Ayan. Ayan, meron silang oven dito. So, may pancake syrup din doon, don't worry. And then, meron silang coffee dito. Tama ba? White sugar, cream. So, may coffee. Coffee nga to. Yung parang sa nakaserve sa, sa kwarto. May water. Merong cucumber yata yan. Or blue lemonade. And then, meron silang salad. Yung nga, cucumber, lettuce, seasonal fruits. Ito, favorite. And tomato. Thousand Island. Pwede ka gumawa ng salad. Healthy being tayo. And sunny side up egg, ay wala. Mamaya, tingnan natin. Ni-refill pa. Kasi date na tayo dumating eh. Pansit, naku, naubos na. Hindi na tayo nakaabot. Stir fried mixed vegetables. Potato with herbs. Nakaparipil ako nung pansit. Gusto ko ng pansit. And then, fried chicken. Ay, kukunti na lang, grabe. Tapos, meron silang ham yata. Okay. Tapos, egg and vegetable fried rice. And meron silang plain rice. And meron sila vegetable soup with egg. Ay, meron pa. Favorite din to. Finally, may pansit sila. Golden Phoenix. Meron tayong blue lemonade. At tapat ang Boracay Station 3 Beach na walang lumot. Ayos, di ba? That's it. Food vlogger mode dito sa Golden Phoenix. May pandesal with margarine. Para sa bahay. Ito type yung pancake. Ito type yung pancake. Soup, corn soup, paborito ko to. Mahilig ako sa ganito. Sarap. Hindi siya masyadong yung creamy, parang gano'n. Pero okay lang. Parang malabnaw siya. Parang masyadong tubig, masyadong maraming tubig, pero okay lang. Masarap yung fried rice with egg. Yung egg, sakto, sunny side. Perfect. Alam mo yung chicken sa mga gimikan? Parang gano'n. Yung mga chicken sa gimikan, pag nag-party kayo sa gabi, pulutan chicken, yun yung lasa. So, okay lang sa akin. Pansit yung yung nirequest ko. Thank you so much, Golden Phoenix. Okay naman sa akin, safe taste. Safe siya kasi di maalat. Hindi siya masyado malasa, tama-tama lang para sa aking millennial. Sabi less salt, more fun. Sabi hindi siya masyado malasa, pero tatap-taman lang yung lasa niya na salt na ina-expect ko sa pansit. Hindi man lang masyado pa ng gelatin, pero okay lang. Okay lang, at least may dessert. Hindi masyado matamis. Parang tubig lang. Pero baka, depende kasi sa food yan eh. But anyway, okay lang naman sa akin. Dito sa budget hotel, so I would consider na wala naman talagang very wow na effect. But mabubusog ka talaga dito. And thank you again, nag-accommodate sila nung sinabi kong wala ng pansit. So nag-request na. Kasi yun talaga yung natakam ako eh. Sabi ko wala ng pansit, gusto ko ng pansit. Dami kasi kaninang kumain din. So thank you Golden Phoenix Boracay. Pala, punta na tayo sa swimming pool. Malayong swimming pool eh. Ayun na swimming pool. Okay, dito na tayo. Hi guys! Welcome back to Insane World. So we're here at Golden Phoenix Hotel here in Boracay Station 3. Let's go! Pasang araw. Ang lalim dito. May teleport tayo guys sa sa going to View Hotel. 1, 2, 3, go! What? Where am I? What? We're here at U Hotel. Here in Station X. Nag-teleport tayo coming from Golden Phoenix. Let's go back to our previous hotel. Para umulit. 1, 2, 3, go! What? Where am I? What? Wait. Dito tayo sa Golden Phoenix. Malabo yung camera ko guys, sorry. Ang ganda ng pool. Hanggang dulo may bridge pa. Tapos meron silang kiddie pool dito. 2.5 feet lang. That's an amazing swimming. Oh my god. Nice. Alright guys, so it's time for us to review yung Golden Phoenix Boracay here at Station 3. So as you remember, I use 5 criteria in reviewing hotels. Number one is the location. Number two is the room itself and the options that you can avail. Number three is combination of food and services. The fourth one is the amenities, and the fifth one is the price. So let's start with the location. I would say the location is actually this is located in Station 3, and it's quite really far from away from the mall, far from Station 1, which people have been going into as always when they walk through the beach. So I would say, but um, don't get me wrong. This location is really good in terms of there's no more lumot. Wala nang lumot in front of the beach, which I really appreciate talaga. But it's nature, by the way, so we can't prevent that if it happens. If you see those lumot, and that's reality. The only thing is that I tried to find a SIM card and I can't find any. I had to go to the mall Station 2. But there are a lot of establishments, there are a lot of gimmick party places. So if you prefer to go to party places, that's going to be definitely a fight. But for me, it's Thunders Millennial. It's too far. My legs are tired. It's too far from Station 2 and Station 1. So I would say its location is 3.5. Again, we have different preferences, right? So number second criteria is options of rooms. So the room is, I said that this is Golden Phoenix Boracay. The theme is like yellowish because that's the color of golden and then phoenix. So I was like, at first I didn't like that it was very orangey or yellowish. I got tired of that lighting, but I realized it's really the theme of the hotel. The room itself, expectation to a budget, of course it's a budget. It's an old hotel. There are rust on the door. Makikita mo talaga na paglumaan yung hotel. So, but the facilities, yung basic amenities, I like the basic amenities. Like there's a TV, the aircon is really good. It's really cold, but unfortunately, it's the wind from the aircon is facing to the face of those who are sleeping. So I didn't like that. The bed, as I said, it's very parang makati sa paa. So I had to cover yung kumot para yun yung magano. So yun yung mga changes na yung mga napansin ko. Bathroom amenities, okay, coffee, may rep, all of the basic things, satisfied naman ako. And then yung options, this is the cheapest room, twin deluxe twin room. I availed this as like 2,380 pesos, and again I was able to get that for free. Combination of both, I will score that as 3.5. Foods and services, food was just okay for me, as I've mentioned. Thank you for repeating the pancit. I really like the pancit. The egg, I really liked it as well. The soup, although malabnaw, it was okay for me. So I would say 4 over 5. Services, some of the people have had conversation with me. I really appreciate that they approached me, they asked me, they made kwento, nakipagkwentuhan sa akin. So nakakatuwa naman. Thank you so much. Di ko na ko yung pangalan nyo, pero you know naman, you know yourself. So thank you. So I would say food 4, services 5, so total of 4.5. Amenities, they have a pool. I really appreciate the pool. It's in the middle, very classy for a budget hotel. And I think Golden Phoenix is one of those hotels that's always being packaged to promos or Boracay package, like 12,000 for 3 days 2 nights, something like that. So they don't have a gym, but I'm located almost very near to the pool, so it's like a beach, direct pool access. So I really appreciate that. So overall amenities, their lobby has an aircon, so 4 over 5. Finally, for the price, this is one of the cheapest hotels that I would say that's very decent. They have a swimming pool, they have a room that is near the pool, they have a bridge sort of. I really like that. They have a garden. They're pitching because we're about to check out. The lobby is air conditioned. It's accessible to the main road, or there's a road going to this hotel. And what else? For the price, I would say that it equates to how I was able to experience staying in this hotel. So I got this for free again via Klook Cash. So but the cost when I availed or used my Klook Cash is around 2,380 plus pesos. But check the description below for the exact price. And again, Klook Cash I was able to accumulate that amount via Klook because I've been using Klook on my previous travels. So nag-stack up yung points, nag-stack up yung earn the cash kasi lahat naman siya na napupulfill. So eventually, I had Golden Phoenix Hotel Boracay as a free staycation. And this is my fourth Hotel Happy. Alright? So I would give the price as 5. Perfect 5. Okay, total score for Golden Phoenix is 4.1 over 5. So that means I would say that Golden Phoenix Hotel is an insane hotel. Okay, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the share button if you would like to share to your friends, to your families, to your colleagues. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Tagal-tagal ko rin nag-vlog, kunti lang subscriber. Since 1995 pa. Ay, nagtap po ako. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good day. Stay safe. I hope na may natutunan kayo. Don't forget to use my Klook promo code, Insane Klook, for an additional discount. If you prefer Agoda, you can use my Agoda promo code, PagodAko, for a 10% discount. Alright, thanks guys. Bye. See you on my next Hotel Happy Staycation. So this is the fourth, right? We're going to the fifth hotel, which is U Hotel in Station X. Bye. Now let's go teleport to our next fifth hotel, which is U Hotels. Let's go. Hop tayo. 1, 2, 3. What's up guys, welcome back to Insane World. So we're here at U Hotels and Resorts here in Boracay. This is in Station X and this is our fifth hotel. Let's go! Fifth hotel of Hotel Happy in Boracay. Woo! Ganto.